What's happening, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Austin and you are watching United Family TV. Today is the first time here. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload new videos. In today's video, I'm going to show small YouTubers how you can edit your videos using Kinemaster. Even if you don't have any experience, but after watching this video today, you're going to start editing your videos like a pro. Actually, this tutorial is for people who are using Kinemaster to edit their videos. Even if you have other editing software from Android, you can also learn from this video tutorial. Okay guys, Kinemaster is an Android editing software that can help you edit your videos using your smartphone. You can also click on that info up there to know about my previous videos. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this video. Right now, we are starting. I'll see you there. Follow me. So guys, the first thing you want to do if you don't have Kinemaster is to go to Play Store and download the Kinemaster from the Play Store. Just install and open it. Okay. Kinemaster is going to open and bring you to this screen. I will recommend that you use the big round circle with the plus inside. And for a new project, you're going to select the aspect ratio of 16.9. So it's going to bring you to empty screen where you're going to click on the media for overlay, and it will bring you to this place where you have your pictures and your video. So I'll just quickly introduce the tools that we have here to you. Click the media for background and click the layer for media text and the pencil. Mic to record voice, and that's the audio for background music, and that's the Kinemaster effect store, and that's the play, review your project, that's the screen capture, and that's the camera and the camcorder. So this one right here is your overlay. So once you click on this overlay, it's gonna bring you a place where you can get a frame for a graphic effect. So right now you can adjust the color and the brightness, and you can also click to zoom. So you can just use your finger tips to zoom it in and out to make it bigger or smaller, and you can reduce the original audio from your clip. And with this you can speed, make it slow or faster. So there's a place where when you make it speed, the speed more than 2, is gonna get you to this place, but you're gonna click the OK. So once you click on this plus, you can get some transition effect. Okay, you can trim with these tools, and you can also adjust how the color, and you can also use this for the volume envelope to make it low from the ending or from the beginning. So now you can change the voice by using these tools. Yeah, you can extract also the audio. You can click on the graphic clip to add some effect to it. can add your audio, background audio music when it's on this song, and you can choose your own music. But when you click on the Kinemaster music access, you can select from the music and click on the plus. So once you have it here, if the music you have is not enough, you can go back to the store and add more clips from the Kinemaster music access store. Click on the plus and bring it to the layer and add more music if you want. So once you click on these three options up here, it's gonna make you duplicate the music if you don't want to go over to the store to bring more music. So just click on the music and drag it over to the right. Drag it until you get to the fitness of the music with the last one. Okay, so you can record a voice. So once you click on the stop, the record is going to stop, the voice is going to stop recording, and you can now use the layer to add some pictures or whatever you want to the project. You can use the same layer and go to the text to add text to your project. Edit the text by making it more beautiful and adding colors to it with the tools. You can also use the pen that is under the text, under the T, to add some effect to your project. You can change the square to circle, or you can use a pen, whatever effect you want. You're gonna see some arrows in the effect of this pen to design and give directions of your project or whatever you want to use the pen for. You're gonna get whatever you want. You can use the pen as also a frame to your project, a frame on your screen. Now we can make a test. Also using the test, you can just make a test that you can use as a thumbnail. Okay, just use as a thumbnail. Just write it down, and you can also capture and add as layer or save to Kinemaster. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make your watermark on all your videos. So I'm gonna choose this picture as my watermark. Okay, I'm gonna choose a circle from these tools on the upper right. So I'm just gonna make it round. I have trim and crop it. So now make it small. I'm gonna take it to the top position where I want my watermark to be. You can choose to put it on the left. So I'm just gonna drag the watermark from the beginning to the end of the video. So I just drag it from the beginning to the end of the video and position it. Icon on the upper right to export. Leave the bitrate the way it is and then click on export. So once it's finished exporting your project, that's all. You are done editing your video with this Android editing software. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So once you are done, you're gonna click on share. Just share it to YouTube. Once you click share to YouTube, click on the YouTube icon, and it's going to ask you to fill in the title and description and all the rest things, location and the tags and all of this. So once you finish filling all these pages here, you're gonna click on upload. So you can click on the upload and upload it to YouTube.